Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. Today I am using a new resin. It is called ICoat Art Resin, new to me, and it's a 1-to-1 epoxy, and they have a line of colorants. And so today I am using Grape Burst. It's an ICrylic color, and I am also using Grape Ape Superstain. So also they have this, I don't even know what it's called. It's called Arctic White, and you add it to the color. It's like a powder. It's a mica powder, and you add it to the colors and it makes it like shimmery, and it is really pretty. It really adds to it. So I did that to both of these colors, and now I am mixing up some glitter, and this glitter is just from Walmart, and I just put a tiny bit of resin in there because you want it to be really thick so it doesn't go everywhere. So I have already put down some clear resin in my coasters. So I'm going to put the center of the flower glitter area right in the middle, and then start using the resin that I have colored. So we're going to do lines and circles, alternating colors, 2 lines of each. The colors on this are so pretty. I'm loving the colors. I think they go well together. It's really fun to use some new products. So, but it did get a little thick on me, and so I had to kind of scrape it out. So it's a little thick. I guess I moved too slow. You know how it goes. But this video is sped up ×4. So I'm just getting my color down, and then I'm going to hit it with the heat gun just to pop any bubbles that are surface bubbles. And now I'm going to take the end of a paintbrush and just swirl it back and forth, kind of a zigzag pattern, up and down, up and down, up and down, all the way around just once on each coaster, and then hit it with the heat gun. You go around twice, moving it in toward the center, and then it wasn't quite close enough to the center that I wanted it, so I just kind of used my end of my paintbrush to move it in a little bit. Plus I added a little bit more glitter because I want it to be balanced, and we are done. These set up really well. I'm really loving the colors of this, and I thought it got real hard fast, set up pretty fast. So yeah, ICoat Resin, you guys go check it out, and check out their website. I will have it linked below. They have some different colors and different products and stuff. How pretty is that? So I couldn't decide whether I like the top side better. That's the top side. I think they turned out really good, or the bottom side. At first I was all about the top side, but then they were sitting around for a while and I got to where I like the bottom side. So I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. All the links and the materials used below are listed below, so check it out. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.